Two-factor authentication, not working on GoHenry App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the GoHenry app, don't worry, this issue happens to many users, especially when switching phones or networks. Most people get this wrong, but the real cause usually comes down to time sync or connection settings, not the app itself. GoHenry uses two-factor authentication, or FA, to protect your child's account and personal data. It's a smart safety feature that sends a one-time verification code to confirm your identity. But if that code doesn't arrive or keeps failing, here's how to fix it fast. Start by checking your phone's date and time settings. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. This ensures your device is in sync with GoHenry's security servers. Even a tiny delay of a few seconds can cause your code to be rejected. Next, update your GoHenry app to the latest version. Outdated apps often struggle to connect with authentication services. If you're waiting on a text message code and it's not showing up, try toggling airplane mode, turning off your phone, or switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Carriers sometimes delay automated security messages if they detect unusual routing. If your code appears but doesn't work, clear the GoHenry app cache or reinstall it. This removes any corrupted login data that could be blocking for validation. If you've changed phones, phone numbers, or authentication devices, your old FA setup won't work. In that case, tap Can't Access Two-Factor and follow GoHenry's Secure Reset instructions. Once your device time is synced, your connection refreshed, and your app updated, two-factor authentication should start working perfectly again. Remember, this extra step is what keeps your family's finances safe, so it's worth taking a minute to make sure it's running smoothly.